Hi, I'm Joe, and this is Lee, and we're with Beyond Remodeling out of Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. We have over 10 years experience in the remodeling industry, and we specialize in outdoor products such as
porches, pergolas, decks, and we're here today to compare two of the railing systems that we've used in the past.
Here we have unpackaged a 6-foot section with the bottom rail, top rail, support foot, and the hidden fasteners. That's all you need to build the 6-foot section.
And purchased separately is a jig for mounting your hardware. There's a clip, and also if you do need to cut, there is some touch-up paint that you're supposed to paint the ends with.
Here we have the post and post-base kit. It comes with everything you need to put the post together, including the screws for this, the cap. The only thing it does not have is the screws to mount to the deck.
Which we like to use GRK structural screws, and we can start putting the base plate on the post.
So here we have easy installation for the post base to mount to the post. It has 4 screws. You just screw it like so to the bottom.
Right now we have our post set, and we can use this jig to mount our clips on, and there's no measuring. It automatically centers it. And you just gotta put the jig in.
We set the panel in place, and then we just put a screw on either side to hold it. Okay, we have the bottom mounted. And we'll go ahead and take the clips, slide it in the channel, and we'll hold the panel center on the post, and then we'll screw that together.
And then we just take our top and bottom cap and snap them in.
And you're done. Oh. And we also have the support block that just goes right underneath there with the self-tapping screw. And we typically try to center it in the panel. In a matter of minutes, we built the whole 6-foot panel ready to go.
As you can see, we finished assembling our panel, and we like it because there's all clean lines, hidden fasteners, no exposed hardware, and it's just a really nice, clean looking product.
From a contractor standpoint, we prefer using this product. The pre-assembled panels are slick to work with. Time is always of the essence, and we find that you can be very productive and install a lot of railing in a short period of time. So here we have a typical knockdown or full assembly railing system. We're going to start with the post here, and we need to mount the brackets to the post prior to mounting to the deck. Okay, and then after that we go to the top rail.
Which, as you can see, is long because it's made to be used for a continuous rail also. And in this circumstance, we're just using it in between 2 posts, and we'll need to cut an inch off of either end.
So Lee has our top rail cut to size, and we're going to go ahead and set the balusters.
And they say to use a block underneath, so when you're pushing the balusters down, it's not bending the aluminum.
Okay, so the bottom balusters are in. Next step is to put the top cap on. They recommend going at a ladder type angle, starting with one and working your way down. This is where we found that it's usually fairly time consuming trying to get them all set in this type of product.
So to recap, we set our posts, put our bottom rail on, screwed that in, put all of our pickets in, put the top rail on, screwed that in, hammered all the pickets in, leveled the post, put all the caps over the visible hardware.
From a contractor standpoint, you can see how time is very important, and this is definitely a time-consuming project.